Alright, welcome back, folks.
Alright folks, we are going to be ripping a combination of the most hype Surging Sparks. We are still seeking that Pikachu, that Latias, Milotic, just some awesome artwork in that one. And we are going to be ripping, of course, Temporal Forces, one of our favorites. We are still seeking out that Raging Bolt, any one of those legendary beasts. So, in the meantime, stay tuned, folks.
Impact Magic!
Got a Cyclizar, Polar Vesta, Illustration Red, a Megaton Blower, a Spec,
Vaporeon. I think we got the Iron Leaves.
We did. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
The Iron Leaves.
Yes. There you have it, folks. 6 packs, 4 hits. Not bad odds if you ask us, right, buddy? But it's not about the hits, not about the chases. It's about spending time with the folks that you love. So until next time, thanks for watching.